Have you ever heard of Bible journaling? It's a creative and meaningful way to engage with the Bible, and it's becoming increasingly popular among Christians of all ages. But what exactly is Bible journaling? Simply put, it's the practice of using art, color, and creativity to express your thoughts, prayers, and reflections on the scriptures. It's a way to make the Bible come alive in a personal and interactive way. One of the great things about Bible journaling is that there's no right or wrong way to do it. Some people prefer to use a separate journal alongside their Bible, while others prefer to journal directly in their Bible. Some people use colored pencils, while others prefer markers, watercolors, or even collage materials. But no matter what tools or techniques you use, the goal of Bible journaling is to deepen your understanding and appreciation of the Bible. By engaging with the text in a creative way, you're more likely to remember what you've read and to reflect on its meaning in your life. So why should you consider Bible journaling? Here are a few reasons. It helps you focus. In our fast-paced digital world, it's easy to get distracted and to skim over the words of the Bible without really taking them in. But when you're Bible journaling, you're forced to slow down and really consider what you're reading. You might find that you understand the passage better and that it speaks to you in a deeper way. It allows you to express yourself. We all have different learning styles and ways of expressing ourselves. For some of us, words come easily, while for others, art or music is a more natural form of expression. Bible journaling allows you to use your strengths and talents to engage with the Bible in a way that's meaningful to you. It's a form of prayer. When you're Bible journaling, you're not just creating art, you're also talking to God. You might find yourself praying as you journal, asking God to reveal Himself to you through the passage you're reading. Or you might use your journaling as a way to thank God for His blessings or to ask for His guidance. It's a way to connect with others. If you're part of a Bible journaling community, you'll have the opportunity to share your work with others and to see how they've engaged with the same passage. This can be a powerful way to connect with other Christians and to learn from each other. Of course, Bible journaling isn't for everyone. Some people might find it too time-consuming or too messy. Others might feel self-conscious about their artistic skills. But if you're looking for a creative and meaningful way to engage with the Bible, it's definitely worth considering. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at how much you enjoy it. And who knows, you might just discover a new way to connect with God and with others. Are you ready to start Bible journaling? Here are a few tips to get you started. Choose a Bible that's easy to write in. Some Bibles have thin pages that can tear or bleed through when you use markers or pens. Look for a Bible with thicker pages that can handle your creative expression. Gather your supplies. You'll need a few basic supplies such as a pen or pencil, colored pencils or markers, and a Bible. You might also want to invest in some stickers, washi tape, or other embellishments. Find a quiet space. Bible journaling requires focus and concentration, so find a quiet space where you can work without distractions. Start small. If you're new to Bible journaling, start with a small passage or verse. Don't feel like you have to fill a whole page with art. Even a simple doodle or quote can be meaningful. Don't worry about perfection. Bible journaling is about the process, not the product. Don't worry about making your journaling look perfect. Just have fun and let your creativity flow. So what do you think? Are you ready to try Bible journaling? Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, there's a place for you in the Bible journaling community. So why not give it a try and see where it takes you? You might just discover a new way to connect with God and with yourself. What do you think about Bible journaling? Let me know in your thoughts in the comments section. Kindly subscribe to this channel and drop a like for this video. God bless you.